Come test drive the 2022 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.